Our kidneys are true unsung heroes, working tirelessly to keep our bodies in balance. These bean-shaped organs act as a sophisticated filtration system, removing waste products from the bloodstream and regulating fluid levels. When our kidneys are healthy, we feel energized and vibrant. Unfortunately, modern diets and lifestyle choices can strain our kidneys, leading to a decline in function. The good news is that we can support our kidney health through simple dietary changes. One effective way is by incorporating an abundance of fresh fruits into your diet. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect and enhance kidney function. In the following sections, we'll delve into the specific benefits of certain fruits and discover how they can contribute to optimal kidney health. Fruits are like nature's gift to our health, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Certain fruits stand out as true superstars for kidney health. These fruits contain compounds that protect the kidneys from damage, reduce inflammation, and support optimal function. One key benefit is their high antioxidant content, which helps neutralize harmful free radicals. By consuming a diet rich in antioxidants, we can protect our kidneys from oxidative stress. Fruits also promote healthy blood sugar levels, reducing stress on the kidneys. With their natural sugars and fiber, fruits help regulate blood sugar and prevent harmful spikes. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet is a delicious and effective way to support your kidneys and overall health. Cranberries, those tart little gems, are a powerhouse for kidney health. They contain unique compounds that help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney infections. Cranberries have proanthocyanidins, which inhibit the growth of bacteria in the urinary tract. By preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, cranberries reduce the risk of infection. They are also a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects the kidneys from damage. To enjoy their benefits, drink unsweetened cranberry juice, add cranberries to smoothies and yogurt, or enjoy them as a snack. These simple additions can make a big difference in your kidney health. Blueberries, with their deep blue hue, are excellent for promoting kidney health. These tiny fruits are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Regular consumption of blueberries may reduce the risk of kidney decline and improve function in those with existing kidney disease. Blueberries are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, both contributing to overall kidney health. To incorporate blueberries into your diet, enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Their versatility and delicious flavor make them an easy and enjoyable addition to any diet. The old adage, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," holds true for kidney health. Apples contain nutrients that benefit the kidneys in several ways. They are a good source of pectin, a soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can contribute to kidney disease, so maintaining healthy levels is essential. Apples are rich in antioxidants, including quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory and kidney protective effects. Quercetin may reduce the risk of kidney damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Apples are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Incorporating apples into your diet can help keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Incorporating more fruits into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start your day with fruit. Add berries to your yogurt or oatmeal. Enjoy a fruit salad or blend a delicious smoothie. Snack smart. Keep a bowl of fruit on hand for a quick and healthy snack. Get creative with meals. Add fruit to your salads, sandwiches, or main courses. For example, grilled chicken with pineapple salsa, or a spinach salad with strawberries and walnuts. Make it a family affair. Encourage everyone in your family to eat more fruits by making them readily available and appealing. Remember, every little bit counts. Even adding a serving or two of fruit to your diet each day can make a difference. Embrace the sweetness and goodness of fruits, and your kidneys will thank you for it.